All right. Hey everyone, welcome to this year's first AMA session. So great to see so many people joining. And yeah, I think this year will be a big year for DIVA protocol because we are about to wrap up the smart contracts and a lot of many things. Yeah, uh, can you go on mute? Sorry. Okay. And yeah, I mean, sorry, got distracted by the background noise. And with that as up, yeah, this year will be quite a big year for DIVA protocol, and super excited about the launch that we're planning for probably March after the audit in February. And yeah, just great to see so many people staying around and active in the Discord. Today, I actually want to introduce a new application that we built on top of DIVA protocol. Sorry?
Hi, lad. Sorry for the interruption.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Now it's good.
Okay, cool. Perfect. All right, I'm also sharing my screen now. Yeah, I mean, in this AMA session, I want to introduce to you a new app that we designed on top of DIVA protocol. And yeah, maybe you've seen the post. So the app is called DIVA ViZ, and I'd like to demonstrate to you how this works, and this will also be like a key part in the second testnet phase. All right, then let's go. So if you're around for some time, you probably are familiar with how DIVA protocol works, right? So you have the DIVA app where you can create orders. So you can basically design your own product by defining an event and a payoff profile. Precious, can you help to mute people because it's super annoying?
Yeah, I'm doing that at the moment. I want to like turn off
Is there an option
the
to
general.
just general mute? Sorry about that.
I'm doing that. Sorry.
Okay, cool. All right, so you define the product, you define the terms, right? So here, for instance, I define the product where we will put in 100,000 in total, and my contribution will be 10, and the counterparty's contribution will be 90,000, right? So the counterparty can basically make a 1.11x, so 11% on the invested money. And this process might be familiar to you. So you select the site you want to keep. So in that case, I, as the creator, will keep the short site, and I want to offer to a counterparty the long site, basically a site that will pay the maximum amount if ETH price stays above 1,300 at that point in time, which is basically in 9 minutes. All right, so we create this offer. We select Telep as our oracle, and now we sign everything that we just created with our private key, right? So far, no on-chain transaction happened. And now we can share this offer by sharing this link on Twitter. However, now sharing this link on Twitter is a little bit, yeah, I mean, people would get redirected. Oh, sorry, that was too fast. People would get redirected to that page where they could actually fill that offer. What we have now built is an app where you can visualize that product. So if you take the link and the offer hash, which is the second part here, if you go to divaviz.com, I mean, the name could be potentially improved. For now, it's okay. If you have good suggestions, let us know in the chat. You paste in the link, you generate the post, and you see it creates this beautiful looking card, which you can download and attach to your tweet, including the offer link. All right, so let's demonstrate that. So here, share on Twitter. Okay, it will draft you this tweet, including the offer link, where basically people can actually fill that offer and or buy that product. And I'll attach this beautiful card. And now this is a much more exciting or more appealing tweet to share with the world. And yeah, I mean, let's do that right now. So we'll tweet that out. And now you will see that, what will you see? Okay, perfect. Now we shared this. Okay. Now everyone across the world who has Twitter and who is following us can click that link and get redirected to that page where they can actually buy that product. So let's simulate, say, another account or not. Sorry about that. Something went wrong. Oh no. Okay, something went wrong. Apologize for that. One sec. Let me try again. No, something went wrong. That's probably also the wrong link. Let me try again. Okay, perfect. Here you go. Okay. Okay, cool. Now, say I don't want to fill the full 90,000, but just 90. So my maximum payout would be 100. I could go here now and fill that. Okay. Ignore that message at the bottom for now. So yeah, it's kind of like what DIVA ViZ is basically it's adding a visualization when you create a product and want to sell that. And this app is extendable. So we started with that design that you just that you see here, but theoretically you could also come up with other templates, more professional templates or more fancy templates. I don't know what people can will come up with. So this project will be open sourced, and if you're a developer, you're free to contribute to that. So yeah, that's basically it. And I just want to highlight that we will use this cards here for our second incentivized testnet. So we try to close the gap in terms of followers between Discord and Twitter. So on Discord we have roughly 33,000. On Twitter it's 5.8 thousand. So with the second incentivized testnet, we try to kind of like generate more activity and also more followers, and that we plan to achieve by creating these type of products, sharing them on Twitter. Maybe you have to retweet or tag people. I don't know. So we have to still come up with how we want to do it exactly, but just kind of like well, to mention what you can expect here. Yeah, I'd love to hear some maybe comments in the chat. Any plan to list token after mainnet? Yeah, I mean we're currently in discussions with a few centralized exchanges. So if there is an opportunity, we would definitely do that. Cool. Any other questions? I think the other fancy templates look nice. Now it looks like a very simple interface. Yeah, I mean it's really, as I said, you cannot like you don't have a connect button here as you see. It's really like a visualization, and that's where the name comes from, DIVA ViZ, right? For visualization. So it's really like making a nice kind of like product offering and share it on Twitter. Exactly, that's the whole thing. And Yeah, I mean, that's the second app after the DIVA app. That's the second app that basically uses DIVA protocol in the background. And we're also working on the conditional donation platform, a structured product platform. And yeah, I mean, you can build so many exciting things on top of DIVA protocol given its flexible and universal design. Any questions from the round? No questions. Okay, cool. Let's quickly check whether this is our product. It will expire in 1 minute. So we simulated like that someone is filling it. So let's see. Once this expires, the teller reporter will report the outcome, and then users can redeem their payoff. So let's maybe wait for that moment so that you get a feeling. And because of some issues, you see I had to fill basically my own offer. So that's why you see both the long and the short side in my positions. But in an ideal case, it's just only one line for me and the other line basically for the counterparty. But because of some technical issues, I don't know, with the wallet connect button, I couldn't show you that. So let's see. So it will expire in less than 1 minute. And yeah, I mentioned briefly we are using the teller Oracle and we are running like a client. So we created a client that is running in the background that is watching pools that expires and that would report automatically outcomes. And that is a software that or a client that we will also open source, and everyone can actually run this software and report and earn a fee for reporting outcomes to Teller and to DIVA protocol. So that's okay, cool. Now it expired. Now you will see shortly, hopefully. Let's quickly wait that this is picked up. Okay, 96, that's exactly our pool. So the bot or the client that we're running, the Teller client, it has now realized this needs reporting for that timestamp, and now it has received that value from Kraken and will now submit it to the teller and from teller to DIVA protocol. So now the teller submission has been done. You see some information is printed, like how much gas has been consumed, at what price. So let's wait for this. Okay, there was an error. Yeah, because I set it too short, I guess. Let me try to demonstrate it again. Sorry about that. Let's try again. Last time. Hope it works. Okay, let me check any questions from the round. Meanwhile, will second phase start this month? I mean, I don't want to promise any timelines, to be honest, because in software engineering there's always something that comes up that that delays things. So I stopped communicating a start date for the second phase. All right, let's hope that this goes through and that I can show you how to redeem that. So by the way, also feel free if to kind of like fill that offer. So when you see it on Twitter, just click on the link if you have DUSD, the ERC20 token on Gurley. Try to fill it yourself. If you don't have DUSD, you can request it in our register channel. Where is this register channel? Here, you can just say claim testnet assets, provide a wallet address, and then it will send you some assets so you can try to fill. And you also need some girly ETH, by the way. Okay, let's quickly check again when this worked. Not yet. Yeah, I mean, maybe we don't have to wait. Would be nice to show you until the very end, but it takes a bit longer than expected. So, yeah. All right. That's basically it from my side. And if there are no other questions, any plan to go on crew free? So what's that? Crew free? Can you enlighten me? With the listing price of DIVA token, yeah, I mean, we don't discuss prices here, and it's up to the market to decide what the price will be. All right. Yeah, with that, okay. Thanks for that's good that you like the AMA. Yeah, as I said, just try it out, play around, share some of these offers, including cards on Twitter. I think would be great to see, and also tag us, DIVA Protocol, when you do that, and we will retweet. And yeah, let's see. Wow, so many people. It's crazy. Great to see that. And yeah, as we promised, there will be a pop-up at the end of this session. So let's do a final look. Okay, now it actually reported. So let me quickly show that last step. Okay, now you see that was confirmed, right? And you see that the long side, because the price ended up above 1,300, now the long side ends up getting everything, and the short side ends up getting nothing. So I could now redeem that, right? And I would give back my long position tokens, and in return would receive 100 DUSD back into my wallet, and the other party would basically not receive anything. So good that it worked eventually. And yeah, with that, I think we can conclude that AMA. Thanks a lot for joining. Have a good start into the year, and yeah, stay tuned. We have a lot more updates coming soon. Thanks a lot for joining. Bye bye, everyone.